Hello everyone, today is 23rd Feb 2023 and we are at cost today, no profit, no loss. We made some profits and we overall made some loss in another trade. So overall we are at cost. So let us just quickly discuss the trades that we took today. Before that we see in the pre-market analysis, but let us just quickly see what happened yesterday. So yesterday we made some positions like the buying call option buying because there was no stop loss as such being below here, and we see that the market went upside, accumulated buyers here, and again the market kept going. Now here in the whole market here, if you see, there is no retracement as such here, right? The market went on completely falling as such, and only at the last we see some retracement somewhere about here. And yeah, so maybe there could be some buyers active here, or we don't know, but since it has already crossed the 40,000 level and we didn't see much good candles here, we were not very much confident that there will be a new buyer here on whom we can plan on buying today. Okay, so today we see that the market starting with a big red candles here, and the market, here the market broke this very important this support level, and at the same time what Nifty was doing is at the third candle, Nifty was also at some support that we drew, but it had not crossed this level. So it would have happened that the market would cross this, so we didn't took any SL trade. And also we saw, like we discussed, like we were not very much confident on the buying trade also, because at this point of time the market stocks keep falling, so there is no estimate of how much that the market can fall. So we were simply not thinking of our regular trade today. So let us see what we took today. So at 927 I was mostly like thinking to make some scalp trades. So we took a trade around 927 and exit around 928. So now where is 927? Somewhere around here, this small green candle. Okay, now what was my logic? So here, now we know that there is no bottom stop losses as such, but here we know that the most of the times, as in yesterday's chart also, that here the stocks might get exited, right? So still we don't know like when the market may reverse. It is highly possible that anytime the market can reverse, but when we are doing some scalp trades or no, we are mostly looking into the candles behavior, right? So if we see right here, if you see this big green candle here, this is basically an engulfing chart, right? You might have known that, and this might have engulfing bullish pattern, but still it doesn't look quite strong, in the sense like if the engulfing bullish pattern, it starts with a little bottom and extends up to top. It has extended up to top, but still it should have given us some sort of wick as per my experience. And also we discussed like here the bank Nifty has crossed this support level also, but the Nifty hasn't. So there was a chance that the Nifty could return. Another thing is, so we didn't took any call option analysis today, and here we see now here when did Nifty broke the level? Nifty broke around 921, 922 around. The Nifty was continuously falling, right? And did Bank Nifty show any good up candle? No. What Bank Nifty did was, here it started accumulating sellers here. I mean the buyers here, because this would form a W pattern and the market may trap there. So here combining both Nifty and Bank Nifty, we took a very short position in here at around this level. We took a put option around here. Now here I was again waiting, because first of all from the Nifty I was not sure that the Nifty would return. I was waiting for a good green candle here, but the Nifty was continuously giving red and red candles. But at the same time Bank Nifty, so we have to see opportunities in both the indexes. So had it been that the bank nifty would have made a good candle around here, like a good reversal pattern, we would have taken a trade. But what did bank nifty do? It made a green candle, but this is not a very good candle. What it did was it's just trying to recover cover us 1 minute chart gap that it made in the previous candle. So that's all that bank nifty did. So we made a put entry here with our stop loss limit, that is at 927, and we immediately exited here. That wasn't planned, by the way, but still I'll tell you the reason. So this is 926, and in this candle we made an entry because this was not a proper candle. It is just trying to cover the gaps. Here made an entry, and quickly at 928 made an exit. Why? Because it made another the gap candle. At the same time, what bank nifty was doing, bank nifty, this is 927 and this is 928, right? And bank nifty nifty also made nifty was also showing some small candles, but still in nifty I was quite short, because in these types of fall, the market usually cannot just usually it becomes volatile. It doesn't recovers normally here with a I would say it doesn't gives a healthy retracement here. It usually gives a volatile bullish or something candle and returns back to its own fall. Okay, so since the bank nifty gave a quite good candle, I mean this gap here, and it was also at support, so we were not sure and we exited here. So here we made just like 10 points, and on 100 quantities we were on a profit of around 1000 profits. Now here I thought that the market might not be a good for today, so I was thinking to stop here. But another I saw some opportunity in the nifty, as I told you that the nifty had this good candlesticks, right? It doesn't recover, these types of candles doesn't recovers normally. Okay, so based on that I made another entry. Now when I am making this call trades, I am making now these are quick candlestick pattern trades, and also we have to make sure that both the bank nifty and nifty is supporting. So here I made an entry around 934 and then exited around 936. Now here I made some losses. So where is 934 here? This is 930 and 936, and this is 933 and 934 here. So yeah, so again here the nifty was showing it has shown some engulfing pattern, but not at this level. I mean, based on an experience, I can say, like, had it been a solid it should have made some big candles and made a small engulfing pattern. That would show some strong movement, that should show some strong support. So in that sense, and another in the nifty also, if you see, okay, nifty was also not showing a proper retracement candle. It was just deep falling. So I thought to make an entry here, and immediately the market gave a big green candle. I knew like this green candle won't affect much, because these are like a normal normal kind of behavior for a volatile behavior. But the thing that kept me on doubt was this small engulfing pattern. Well, I was sure that this shouldn't match much effect, but the thing that happened was that my stop loss limit was over. I mean, I was trading on 400 quantity because I was scalping, and 10, 12, 36,000 loss, somewhere around that it had happened. 4,800 or something around, and net was around 3,000 something loss I was setting. So that's why I exited here, and yeah. Next, but I was still sure, like, these types of candles are normal. These are just to trap the immediate sellers here. And again we entered about looking that 936 and 938 we entered, and we exited. Now wait, no, sorry, we entered at 938 and we exited around 949. Now 938 candle is where this one, this green candle we entered. So this is just I won't be able to explain much more deeper into this needs a candlesticks. Well, you should have seen a lot of candlesticks patterns here. So I had it, first of all, I know I told you that this bullish candle is not a sign of good bullish momentum. So here I was again expecting a put option here, and what was the time again? 9:38. What was Bank Nifty doing? Bank Nifty broke the level. Bank Nifty was also giving a doji, right? Had it been a good retracement, it should not be showing these dojis at least anymore here. Why would it show dojis with this big candle? Okay, I mean, this was just on the candlestick strings, but I knew, like, had it been a good retracement, it should have given at least some, good goods. Shouldn't have given a good dojis here. Why I would say that, I will explain in the another chart also. Let us see. So day before yesterday also we exited around the same candlesticks pattern. Remember, there is a doji, and there is a bullish candle here, and there is a dojis that are forming. Okay, here, in this chart, if you check out this date, I have told you here, actually I had made a trade around here, call option, and we exited around this candle. I had told you that at this position, these types of candlesticks show confusion and can retrace, but that's why in the red candle, I think we exited here. So same is the logic here. That's the why I made a re-entry on the put option here in Nifty, and that's the reason we are basically on the candlestick strings and the nature of the market that is today. And we exited around 949. So up till at the bottom we were looking like here, around here, we were seeing like 3,000 or some good profits here, over 3,000 or 4,000 profits, but still we were just about to wait for this support, but the market quite gave a good bullish pattern here, and I was just market gave a good bullish pattern. I was just waiting if it could again give a big red candle here, but it gave a doji, and immediately in the next candle we thought to exit. Okay, so at this point I think we were around at the cost only, or I think around, maybe around 1,000 or something loss we were. And another, we made a final last trade that we buy at 10.9 and exited at 10.12. So 10.9 was again at around here, just looking for a retracement. So we see like here, I could have entered in this candle also, right, in this candle also, but I was just waiting for a proper pattern. And here at around 10.9, when I see that again the dojis are appearing at the top, which are not a good sign, I just made an entry here. I just put a stop loss, and in somewhere in this green candle we exited. So now these are done for the day. Now the market's momentum is quite slowing down. Now it's not a good time for the scalp trades. So that was all the trades that we had today. Okay, thank you.